Hey everyone! Want to save big on Macy's? I'm about to show you how to get a free Macy's coupon code. Start by going to ezcoupon.co/Macy's. Or scan the QR code on the screen with your smartphone camera to head directly to the site. Once you're on the site, the first thing you need to do is enter your email address. This is how the Macy's coupon code will be sent to your inbox. I'm entering mine now so you can see exactly how it's done. Next, choose whether you're using an Apple or Android device and click Continue. Since I'm on an Android phone, I'll pick that option. The site will then generate your coupon code for you. To make sure you're a real human and not a bot, the site will ask you to download 2 free apps from the Google Play Store. These apps are completely safe and come from reputable publishers with millions of downloads. After downloading, open and use each app for about a minute. Some apps might ask you to register or reach a certain level in a game, like level 9 or 10. This is just to confirm you're a real person and not a bot, and it's totally worth it because once you complete the verification, your Macy's coupon code will be sent straight to your inbox. I'm going to speed up the process now and add some background music while I finish the steps. All set. Refreshing my email now. And there it is, my Macy's coupon code. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for more savings tips. Happy shopping!